Okay, so today you're going to be following us on a very interesting project here at Ottervale Motor Services. As you can see, we've got an ever-expanding business and there's a lot of developments which are happening in the business. So you guys are going to get first-hand view of exactly what is happening, and as you may be aware, we do actually have a car dealership which is currently situated at a different location. So what we're going to be doing now is actually bringing the car dealership up to here, to our headquarters. So we're going to have everything on display, all of our cars, vans, pickup trucks and anything else that we sell. So to make room for the cars, we're actually doing quite a large building project here in the background. So we used to have quite a large area of dirt and stuff in the corner, and actually we're tidying it all up and expanding the forecourt so we can fit a lot more stock for you guys to come and view. So let's deep dive into it and I'll take a good look and show you guys exactly what's happening throughout this entire process. And by the time you see this, we're most likely finished and you can come down and check out all of the cars and everything else that we have on display for your next vehicle. So let's have a little look and see what the guys are up to. Okay, so to show you guys a little bit up close of exactly how much room we're expanding, it might be quite hard to see on the camera, but I'll try and represent it pretty well for you. So we're just moving obviously the tractors around and so on, and we've got some very noisy motorbikes going past. However, the dirt pile used to go obviously right up to the hedge, all the way out, and you can probably gauge how wide it is based on the tractor's movements at the moment. From that, obviously we're digging it out right the way down to the back, and this should give us plenty more room for all of the vehicles which we are going to be having here on display for you guys. Okay, so we're going to be digging back right the way into this far corner and obviously back along here and levelling out the whole surface as well and really tidying up this corner. We're not exactly sure of the correct layout of how all of our vehicles are going to go, but at the moment, obviously this is where we used to have our vans all displayed. Obviously they're going to be properly valeted again because dust has now caked all of them on the forecourt. We've obviously got plenty of tractors doing a nice little shift pattern at the moment while removing all of the dirt. It's around about 500 tonnes we're estimating at this point, so there's plenty that needs to be shifted. So there we are, this is phase one of the project. There's many other site movements happening, which you guys will see coming in the next few videos. So we'll keep you guys up to date with exactly what is happening.